Revenue is vanity. Profit is sanity. If you've been busy at the markets and racking up sales but aren't sure how much actually stays in your pocket, the profit and loss report in Ardent Seller is where you find out. Let's run one. Reports in Ardent Seller all sit behind one door. Open the Measure section in the sidebar and click All Reports. That's the hub. 41 reports, grouped by the question you're asking rather than by feature. Profit and loss is right at the top under Am I Making Money, or type profit into the search box. Click it, and it opens with this month's numbers by default. If you run this one often, hit the star on its card back in the hub, and it gets pinned straight under Measure in the sidebar. Up at the top, the first filter is the period. Click the drop-down, and you've got presets for this month, this quarter, last quarter, this year, and last year. Plus a custom range option if you need exact start and end dates. Pick whichever period matches what you're reviewing, and the whole report recalculates for that window. Right next to the period is the locations filter. If you sell across a workshop, a storage unit, and a farmer's market booth, you can include all of them or zero in on just one. Click any location to toggle it on or off, or use Select All and Clear at the top to jump between every location and none. We'll keep all three checked, so the report covers your whole business. Now the actual numbers. Up top is revenue, sales revenue, any other income, surcharges you've added, less any discounts, totaled into net revenue. Below that is cost of goods sold, the cost basis of everything you sold during the period. And subtracting that gives you gross profit. Then come expenses. Operating expenses, marketplace fees, shipping, transaction fees, even waste, losses, and donations. Total those up, take them off gross profit, and the bottom line is your net profit, or net loss in red if the period didn't go your way. Below that, you'll see tax collected, which is a liability you owe, not income. Ardent Seller separates it cleanly, so you know what you actually earned. When the numbers look right, click the menu button on the right side of the toolbar. From there, you can export to CSV for a spreadsheet, download a formatted PDF you can email straight to your bookkeeper, or send it to your printer. Let's grab the CSV. It pops out instantly, ready for Excel or Google Sheets. And that's your profit and loss in Ardent Seller. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials, and head to ardentseller.app to start tracking your own bottom line.